Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Facebook Live event that is talking about, let's get my PowerPoint up here. It's talking about assessments and success and how we measure success in Let's Play Music, and hopefully get you thinking about how you measure success with your own child. So let's talk about why assessments. Okay, first of all, why do we assess? Because sometimes it can feel like it's kind of maybe a negative thing. Does it take away the fun? Does it make us feel bad about ourselves? Or maybe it can create levels or labels on people, or it can create competitions or hierarchy. Nobody wants to be thought of as better than or less than someone else, and no one wants to be labeled as not being good enough. So this is some of the negativity that comes with thinking about assessing. But in Let's Play Music, we assess to measure success. We want students to feel successful. We want parents to notice that success. And we want everybody to feel that success. So let's talk about, all right, then what is success? Well, simply put, success is reaching our goals. If we don't know what our goals are, it's really hard to know if we're successful. So we need to think about our goals as we discuss our success in relation to assessments. And to talk about goals, I just want to introduce a little bit of Bloom's taxonomy. And this is a framework for educators of learning behaviors and organized hierarchy in these 6 categories. And we want you to know that in creating and teaching Let's Play Music, all of these categories are touched on and brought into class. We're very intentional about how we're teaching and what we're teaching, and our curriculum is aware of the taxonomy of learning. And these are part of our goals in Let's Play Music. And in fact, this taxonomy is used to create the learning objectives or the goals in Let's Play Music and other curriculum. And these are what help define and measure the learning experience for the student and the instructor. So yes, we have our goals defined in Let's Play Music. And I want to talk about some of the goals and the way success is defined in other national music programs. So you may or may not have heard of NAFME. It's the National Association for Music Education. And this is a whole association of music teachers across the country who have goals in creating music, performing music, responding to music, and connecting through music. And their goals are centered around those 4 categories. Then we also have another National Association of Music Teachers. These are the piano teachers in America. These are the private piano who have come together and decided what are their goals. How do they measure success in their piano programs? And the Music Teachers National Association, their goals are to read music, to perform with technical efficiency, to improvise, compose, and play by ear, to understand basic theory, to respond to the emotional character of music, and to work independently and solve problems. Great. These associations have determined what their goals are and how they define success. So we want to look at Let's Play Music. How does Let's Play Music define success for our classrooms, for our students? Well, we can condense it into 2 goals, and those are total musicianship and having a whole happy child. And you've probably heard us talk about total musicianship before. You've probably heard us talk about the whole happy child. So let's talk a little bit more in depth about those goals. First of all, I want to talk about the things that happen in class. These things that are total musicianship. In class and our experience and practice at home in doing homework, practicing the piano, listening to the albums, all of these things help to accomplish our goals of total musicianship. We have harmony experiences, we have ear training, we have collaborative music, which means we're in an ensemble and we're creating music together. We have classical music experience, piano skills. We work on improvising and composition and rhythm skills. We'd have notation skills in writing down dictation and putting it up on the magnet board. We study chord theory. We accompany with auto harp, bells, keyboard, rhythm, and we learn how to sing in tune. These are some of our goals in Let's Play Music that reach our main goal of total musicianship. So hopefully you are seeing that and you can recognize all of these goals in Let's Play Music. And then our other goals are the ones that are tied to the whole, healthy, happy child. And these are things that we work on in class too. So we hope we see giggles. We hope we see connection. We have fun. We develop confidence. There's lots of smiles. There's love shared and felt. We cultivate relationships. We have eye contact. We play. We enhance intelligence. We promote friendship and creativity. There's emotional connection and development and memory skills. So all of these things help to combine together to create the whole healthy and happy child. And again, that's another way to define our goals in Let's Play Music. So we feel like we're pretty clear on what we're trying to do in our program. But what about you? What is success to you as a parent with your child in Let's Play Music? What are your goals for your child in Let's Play Music? And maybe reflect on, why did you enroll in Let's Play Music? Or why are you thinking about enrolling in Let's Play Music? What do you hope to see your child accomplish in Let's Play Music? Are the goals that I've shared with you similar to your own goals? And are you seeing those happen in class and at home? And as a result of you being enrolled in Let's Play Music? These areas of success and these goals are what's important to us, and we hope that you evaluate and reflect on what's important to you and what success is for you. Because then you also have to reflect on, how are you involved in your child's success? What elements of total musicianship, what elements of having a whole, happy, healthy child are you directly involved with? What do you do when you come to class? Are you involved in creating a relationship with your child, in helping your child to feel successful in the total musicianship skills, and in being able to emotionally connect, in being able to develop their self-esteem? Are you connected to your child's success, both in class and out? And now I want to take one little part of success, and I want to talk about success in piano skills, because sometimes you might find yourself slipping into this mentality. You might think that piano skills are the only thing that defines success in Let's Play Music. You might think, if my kiddo can't play the song, why are we even in Let's Play Music? But let me just review for you real quick. I'm going to go back to this slide. Piano skills is one of the things here, but look at all the other things. And then again, in our healthy, happy whole child, all of those things. So when we think about piano skills, yes, they are skills. Yes, they are the way that we achieve our goals in Let's Play Music. Piano skills are the way that we learn total musicianship. They're the way that we connect and have emotional excitement in class. And piano skills do require personal at-home practice. You've probably noticed that. If you're a piano player yourself, you probably have experienced that. It's time to think about, is this one of my goals? Is piano skills specifically and inclusively one of your goals for your child? If it is, we're here to help. We're really good at it. Our teachers are amazing at helping your child to achieve piano skills through Let's Play Music. We are great at assessing it. We're great at breaking down the skills. We're great at teaching those skills. And we've broken it all down for you so that your home practice is easy to follow. You can see what needs to be done each week. You can see what measurements are involved along the way. We have showtime in the third year of Let's Play Music. We have recitals in Presto. We have lots of ways to assess piano skills all along the way. If not, if you've decided, I don't think I can put the effort into the daily piano practice that piano skills require. I don't think my kiddo is interested in developing piano skills. If you've decided that that is no longer one of your goals, we're here to help you have success in other ways. You saw all of the other ways that we measure success. Piano skills is one of them, but there are lots of ways to experience success. There are lots of goals in Let's Play Music, and we can achieve those and experience success even if piano skills is no longer one of your goals. So it's a great time for you to reflect on this as we're about to go into Station Day. If you're in a Let's Play Music class, either Green Turtle Shells or Purple Magic right now, you're about to have Station Day in the next several weeks. If you're in a Presto class, you also have those celebration days where you have your recitals and you assess your success in different ways. But we are just about to look at success and what is success going to look like. If you'll notice that Green Turtle Shells progress report, we are assessing and we're recognizing that the child's skills are developing. So you can see those categories that say got it or still working on it. We are in the process of learning these things. And in the Purple Magic progress report, we break it down a little bit more. We want to say, how is your child progressing in this skill? Is it hands together? Is it right hand alone, left hand alone? How are the piano skills coming? How are the other skills coming? How is their musicianship coming? And I want to talk about some of these new categories that we've introduced in our station days in third year. So you will notice these new categories on your Purple Magic progress report, because as we've looked at success in different ways, we want to make sure that not only are we saying these are the goals of the program, we're putting it on paper. We are actually going to report on those social skills that go to developing the whole happy child. Is there courage to try being shown in class? Is there eye contact happening with peers and with adults? Is the child engaged in a social and emotional and developmental way in class? And is there healthy peer interaction going on? We want to assess these social skills because these are part of our goals in Let's Play Music, and we want to actually put it on paper and assess it. And then we want to look at playful participation too. We want to look at those smiles and giggles and that gross motor development that go into promoting the whole happy, healthy child. And we want to look at those total musicianship skills. So apart from the piano skills, we want to look at, is the child singing and singing in an ensemble, singing in tune? Is the child understanding the chord theory and the note reading and the rhythm reading? Are they counting rhythms and participating in the rhythm ensembles? If they're not playing the song on the piano with the class, are they clapping along? Are they playing a rhythm instrument? Are they playing just a chord? Are they pointing to the notes so they're watching how music reads and how we track notes? Are they getting the ear training as we listen to the chords and we sing the chords in pieces and we listen to harmonies and we listen to the scales and major and minor and we listen to classical music? Are these total musicianship skills being developed and displayed, and can we look at those and measure success in these ways? So these are new categories on your progress reports that you'll be seeing with your teacher if you're in Purple Magic. And again, we want to not only make our goals known in Let's Play Music, we want to put them on paper, and we want to measure our success and assess what's happening in class with your child. I also want to talk about our core values as we talk about assessment, because so many of our core values align with why we assess. The reasons that we assess are in our core values. we play and we recognize its benefits. And we want Station Day to feel playful. The way we assess in Station Days is playing. The kiddos look forward to Station Day almost more than any other day. We make it playful. And we embrace the process of learning, the whole process, the beginning, the forgetting, the misunderstanding, the I almost got it, the this is beginning to make sense to me, to I got it. And I can even show you independently. That whole process of learning is in our assessment system. We give consistent effort. We keep trying. We keep working. Our teachers, our students, our parents, we give consistent effort so we can reach those goals, so we can feel successful. And that's why we want to report that in our assessments. And we celebrate accomplishment. When we reach our goals, when we feel successful, we celebrate. So we're gonna have showtime, we're gonna have Station Day, we're gonna clap, we're gonna cheer, we're gonna show you on your child's songbook that there's a sticker there, and we're celebrating the things that your child has done. The best example of celebrating accomplishment is our year-end recitals, which will be happening in May. But we have 10 core values, and 4 of these are specific to the way we assess in Let's Play Music. So I hope that I have answered some of your questions about why we assess and how we assess and what we're assessing. What are our goals? How do we define and measure success in Let's Play Music? So whatever your goals are for your child in Let's Play Music, we are totally equipped to help you and your child feel that success. Please reflect on everything that I've talked about here. Bring it up to your teacher if you feel any concerns. We want you to feel successful. We want your child to feel successful, and we're totally equipped to do that. Thank you for joining me today. I hope I've given you some things to think about, and I hope you are ready to feel success. Thanks again for joining. Bye.